In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Google Drive automatically with n8n. We'll build a simple workflow that takes a file from your automation and places it into Google Drive without any manual work. Start by opening your n8n workspace and heading to the Workflows area. Then create a new empty workflow so we can add the pieces we need. First, choose how the workflow should start. If you want it to run on a schedule, add a schedule trigger and set the interval that makes sense, like hourly or daily. If you want it to react to something external, such as a form submission, an app event, or a custom script, use a webhook trigger. The webhook will give you a URL that accepts incoming requests and can include a file. Next, add a Google Drive node to the canvas and set its operation to upload. This tells n8n that the node's job is to take a file from the workflow and store it in your drive. Before it can do that, connect your Google account. In the Google Drive node, create new OAuth 2 credentials and follow the sign-in prompts. Approve the requested permissions so n8n can upload files on your behalf. When it's connected, you'll see the credentials selected in the node, and n8n will remember them for future runs. Now configure what file to send. In the File and Folder section, set the binary property to data. In n8n, binary refers to the actual file content being passed between nodes. The key name data should match the field that contains the file from your trigger or previous node. If your upstream step outputs a different key, adjust the Google Drive node to reference the exact name used there so the file is found correctly. Choose where the file should go. In Folder ID, paste the ID of your target folder or leave it blank to upload to your drive's root. To find a folder ID, open the folder in Google Drive and copy the long string in the URL after folders file. Make sure your connected Google account has access to that folder. It's time to test. Click Execute Node on the Google Drive node. If your trigger provides a sample file, you should see a successful run and the file appear in Drive. If something fails, double-check credentials, the binary property name, and folder permissions. When the test looks good, turn the workflow on. From now on, your chosen trigger will fire automatically, and the Google Drive node will upload each incoming file to the folder you specified. Save your workflow, and you're done.